So, good afternoon all. So here our next topic is flood fill algorithm. So this is a type of boundary fill algorithm. Two topics will cover it. On now third topic is flood fill algorithm. In basically flood fill algorithm, a point of seed which is inside the region, which is that is in seed point, that is which called as a pixel as a seed point, which have to be selected inside the polygon, and this point is called as a seed point. Now we are basically here using this point as a so this point will be known as a seed pixel. Okay, now we are using here I want to tell you, flood fill algorithm and boundary fill algorithm both are same, but some new features are added on it. So basically flood fill algorithm and boundary fill algorithms are same. They are both using a 4 connected approach and 8 connected approach, but only difference is that the flood fill algorithm has a many characters similar to the boundary fill algorithm, but this method is more suitable for filling multiple colors boundary. When boundary is of many colors or interior is to be filled with one color, we use this algorithm. So basically suppose here we are applying some diagram here, some shapes over here, so we can apply some different colors on the boundary and we can apply some procedure on it and we can do the flood fill algorithm. In fill algorithm, we start from the specified interior point, that is called as a xy, because we are filling the algorithm. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, now this is the point, so we have to find that point. So suppose we are providing here 4 and this is 10. So what is the x and y here? So what is the x and y here? 10 and 4 is our x and y point. Okay, now and reassign all pixel values are currently set to given interior color with the desired color. Okay, so here in flood fill algorithm we have to find firstly the seed pixel and namely as a point. Now we have to give a x and y coordinate. Now flood fill algorithm we have give a old color as a white. Suppose here as some pixel which are of a white color, so we are providing condition here, old color must be white color. Okay, now the current pixel is old color, so current pixel is here on which is our current pixel. The current pixel is here our old color, that is white color. Now old color, then we will fill this seed pixel as a point with the new color. Okay, so here some white color pixel, that is old pixels are available, so we have to fill the color on the polygon one by one pixel. They spread the color to the polygon and they fill the polygon with the new color. So basically we are using for new color is blue color. Okay, now old color is white color. So what boundary fill algorithm actually do, he can using either a 4 connected approach and 8 connected approach, because I told you this algorithm is also same as a boundary fill algorithm. Okay, now boundary fill algorithm, flood fill algorithm, what actually do, he can choose a seed pixel point and he can do spread the color to all over the polygon. Now if we are using 4 connected approach, so we can go the direction like here is our seed pixel. Now he is going from right direction, left direction, below direction and above direction. So if this is our pixel, seed pixel, so he can go from the right side, then left side, then above side and below side. One by one is going to that position and fill the color and fill that neighboring pixel. Okay, now if we are using 8 connected approach, in in um, in 4 connected approach there is a algorithm I have to told you. So this is our x axis and y axis diagram. Okay, so here this is a 0, this is y maximum, y minimum. So here value will be minus y and here value will be plus y, because here values of y will be incremented and here values of y will be decremented. Here value of this is x axis, so here value of the x will be increasing, so here the value of x is plus x and here value of x is minus x. Okay, so basically in 4 connected approach, so firstly algorithm what is this telling us that in telling, this is telling because he is going to the right condition. So if seed pixel is here, so he is want to fill, so he go from the right side, so there will be y must be, so there will be it only it choose x and y coordinate as a get pixel. Now he wants to fill the color, so he going from the right side, so he can go from this side, so here will be x will be incremented. So first will be condition is x plus 1 and y. Now fill color and as a old color. Okay, now we are what actually meaning of this, because we are putting the old color, because old color is what actually white color, so we are providing old color as a new color, that is filled color. We are providing the new color as a sky blue, so we are basically providing a new color as a blue. So see pixel one by one going from left side to right side, so their x will be increasing and y must be there constant. Now second is we are going from left side. Okay, so left side here, so here we are seeing that x is decremented, so our next condition will be x minus 1 comma y, because y is constant here and x value will be decremented, so here condition will be x minus 1 comma y. So we have to calculate fill color and old color. Okay, so we have to give a 1 by 1 pixel is here available on this, so we have to fill that color using this condition x minus y and x minus 1 and comma y. So we have to give a white color as a new color, as we are providing a new color as a blue, so we can give the new color as a blue color. Okay, now third condition is what, here x is constant. Now we are going from above direction, so in above direction x will be constant and y must be incremented, because we are going upward direction, so that's why y will be incremented. So x will be constant and y plus 1, so fill color and old color. We are giving now old color as a new color, so old color is what, white, so we are providing a new color as a sky blue. Now last point is in 4 connected approach we are going below direction. Now in below direction y is decremented and x must be constant, because we are going to the diagonal direction now, so the y values will be decremented, so that's why x will be constant and y minus 1 is our condition. Now we have to give a fill color as a old color. We have providing a old color as a new color, that is our new color will be sky blue, so we are providing a new color as a sky blue. Now same if we are doing a 8 connected approach. Okay, in 8 connected approach, if our seed pixel is reached at that point. Okay, now if we reach at that point, but it can't go to the left side direction or right side direction and above direction, what he actually do, because we know in 8 connected approach there are 8 diagonals. 8 connected approach, there is a 8 direction. This is our seed pixel. Now this is right side, this is left side, this is above side, this is left side, and this is diagonal. Okay, now so here we are reaching at that point, so he can't go to the upward direction, can't go to the downward direction, can't go to the left side or right side, so he can't can go to the downward direction. If you find a pixel available here, so he can fill the color with the sky blue as a new color. Now our old color will be white, so what he actually doing, he is putting a new color as a sky blue, and then this pixel will be our seed pixel. Now seed pixel will spread the color to all over the polygon and fill that polygon with the new color. Okay, thank you.